Hello, Mom and Sir. Good day. My name is Maribel Elsalde, 40 years old, single. But I have 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy, ages 21, 18, and 16. I am high school graduate. My work experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 3 years. I serve 8 members of the family, 3 children, ages 6, 4, and 2. My second employer here in the Philippines are 4 adults, 3 pets, 2 dogs and 1 cat. My house course is cleaning the house, washing clothes, marketing, ironing, gardening, and also washing cars. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I'll do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. Thank you.